When it comes to minimally invasive smile makeovers, you got a few options. Veneers and bonding are very popular. The main difference is veneers are made in a lab and they're made out of a porcelain, so they're very aesthetic, they last very long, and they look as natural as you can make them. We'll typically recommend our patients go through Invisalign if they have not already done some kind of braces treatment, just to kind of get the bite lined up, and that way when we know we're putting on veneers, the bite's going to be in the ideal position. So the process of veneers is relatively simple. You'll come in, we'll take some molds of your teeth to basically do a mock-up of how we want your smile to look like, and that way we have an end goal in mind. After that is completed, we'll bring you in, prepare your teeth, and then you'll leave that day with some temporary veneers. In about a few weeks, after our ceramist, who is in-house in our lab, makes your veneers, we'll bring you back in, take the temporaries off, and put the final veneers on, and you're good to go. She'll literally sit there and hand design your veneers custom to your mouth to fit your smile, so the custom shape, the custom shading enhances it to make it look even healthier. So that day that they're getting their veneers seated, they're so excited. They told me they couldn't sleep the night before. They were, couldn't wait to get them on. And then the beautiful part about it is we always surpass their expectations. They always tell me it looks better than they expected, it feels better than we expected, so natural. We've chosen to keep our lab in-house, so we keep all accountability on us, and even if there's something that you don't like about it, we can typically make that change to the veneer the day of. Patients like to come get their treatment done with us here, especially veneers, because we treat them as family. They get to meet the whole team. They get to meet the doctor, of course, the assistant, the lab technician who's going to work with them, the front desk who's going to keep in contact with them during the entire process. So it's really nice for everybody to get to meet each other, know the personality, and get a quality product that is tailored to the patient.